Hey, I'm Jared Poise, and today we're fishing in Yamba, New South Wales for flathead. Let's see how we go.
Have we got one there?
Oh, I got one.
Double hook up, boys!
There's nothing good yet. Not as good as mine.
Where is it, mate? You need a net? Or is it too big?
I need a net, right?
Too small, man.
I need a net.
Oh, it's a Jasper connection. Here comes Jazz Knobhead too.
Can I get a net up here?
Oh, you do need a net.
Double hook up there, boys.
Very nice. What's it on?
Little peppered prawn.
Pepper prawn flick macca.
When I'm fishing for flathead, I always turn to Gulp Soft Plastics. They are easy to use and good quality for money. I use a 2-inch banana prawn and find that the flathead and the brim cannot resist them. I also use the 1/8 jig edge from Berkeley. They go good and they're a good combination with them. So next time you're shopping for fishing gear, buy yourself a pack of Gulp Soft Plastics and Berkeley 1/8 jig heads. You won't do any better. When I'm fishing for jewfish, I use the same rule that applies to jacks. Fishing the tide. The time of day is not important, but the tide is. It is true that you catch more jewfish at night, but if you use the tide to your advantage, you'll catch them in the daytime as well. My choice of gear when fishing for jewies is our homemade Kangaloo. They come in all different colours and sizes. For just 18 bucks, grab yourself one today. Or you can just go and get the old hollow belly. They work as well when you're fishing for a jewie. Remember these tips and you might come out with more fish than you've ever caught before. Today I'm going to be talking about fishing the tide. When I go out fishing, I don't just go at any time of the day. I work around the tides. The tide plays a very important role in being able to catch fish. When fishing, I know that the fish go on the bite on the going out of the tide and the coming in of the tide. If you're fishing for mangrove jacks, you need to work the tide system. They rely on the tide, and if you don't follow this, you won't catch many fish.